Hi, today I'm going to do an unboxing video of the Gamedias Hermes P1 RGB mechanical gaming keyboard, which is currently selling in South Africa for $5.99 from EveTech. There is a cheaper one which is called the M1, which is only 7 colors. So the difference between the P1 and the M1 is purely just RGB. You get blue and brown switches, though you can get other switches, but I see EveTech has only imported the blue and brown switches. This specific one I've got here is the brown switch. So let's open up. So we open the box. First thing we see is a manual. That's the back of the manual. Comes in different languages, so it's only one page for instructions. And that's the box. I'll say, if you look at a box, you think you're going to get premium quality. It looks good. It looks like a good brand. Very well done advertising on a box. Let's put it aside. Alright, what we got here? For your wrist. Alright, we'll see now. I hate these things because they never actually clip in properly. Now, if I have a look at this one, I can already see it's also just gonna lie on it. Anyway, let's just have a look. And then there you go. There's the keyboard. That's the front look of it. Now we can see, you see 2 holes here. That's where that's going to go in. And that's it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Alright, back of the keyboard, plastic, as you can see, standoffs, and then here is your switch puller. I like it that they put it underneath like this. It's actually quite nice, so you don't lose it. Typical plastic, nothing fancy. Okay, I guess to put your cable through, but how are you going to put it through there if it's sticking out like this? I don't understand that, but anyway. Braided cable. Nothing fancy. It's the same type that you'll see on cheap gaming mouse and keyboards. So nothing really fancy about that. Now, if you read the box, they do say gold plated. Now, it does look gold plated, but not gold plated like you'll find in more expensive keyboards. This is more of your flea market type, gold ring type of plating here, which will eventually wear off. But I'll say, if I look at the keyboard, it's a very nice keyboard. It looks quite nice. Aluminium cover. Not one of the strongest, but if you're not going to hit someone over the head, it will not break that easily. Now that's a sound for the brown switch. Now if you know, the blue switch is much louder than this. And then here you got your 2 programmable buttons. I just don't like the way they're sitting here. I just don't like it. I really don't like it. Your F and key to activate your other things. You can set up profiles as well. Quite a nice looking keyboard. For the price, well, if you're not a pro gamer, you know, someone just that games casually now and then, that does some typing, and you want something better than an old membrane keyboards, would I recommend it? Well, I haven't tested it yet. It only comes with 1 year warranty, and that already seems like red flags for me. Well, there comes the wind. 1 year warranty. It says each key is certified to 15 million keystrokes. And yeah, I just got a feeling this won't last that long. It might just last you a year, just when the warranty's gone, and you can take it and chuck it away. Or buy another one and just keep it as spares for when the other one breaks. But not a bad looking keyboard. Alright, thank you for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, give it a thumbs down. And please click the subscribe button if you would like to see more videos from me. Thank you.